Welcome to the ALGO-CRM feature playlist. In this video, we will see two-factor authentication. First, we will start from the company page where we need to select a company. I am selecting Arihant Solution 2. Now we are on the dashboard of ALGO-CRM. When two-factor authentication is enabled, every time the company is accessed, the respective executive will need to verify using an OTP. To enable this option, go to the left menu panel, click on Administration, then Configuration, and finally Application. This feature can only be enabled or disabled by the owner or co-owner. In the application configuration, you will find the authentication option, from where you can enable this feature. I will click on Authentication. After that, I will see the option Enable Two-Factor Authentication. I will enable it and then click on the Save button. Once the configuration is saved, we will log out of ALGO-CRM. For that, click on the profile icon on the right side and then click on Logout. A pop-up form will appear, where we will click on the Yes button. Then, we will log in again to check the authentication. Here, I will enter my email ID and password. After entering the details, I will click on the Login button. Now, I am on the company page, and I will click on Arihant Solution 2. Once you click, an OTP verification pop-up will appear. The OTP will be sent to the executive's email, and the email ID will also be shown here. Now, I will enter the OTP I have received. If needed, you can click on Resend OTP to get it again. After entering the OTP, I will click on the Submit button. Once the form is submitted, we will be automatically redirected to the company dashboard. The configuration functions the same way on the mobile application as it does on the web application. So, this is how two-factor authentication works, helping secure your application and protect access with an extra verification step. Thank you.